For today's math lesson, we are again going to draw a picture of a story problem that involves multiplication, and this is using the equal groups method. So I'm going to choose where we're going to find it, make a copy of the Jamboard here, and you're going to make a copy of it. And if you could, it would be nice if you could rename it with your name on it. It's easier for me to find. So the first problem, there are two problems. This is yours. This is mine. Mine says each jar has 5 cookies in it. There are 4 jars. How many cookies in all? So this one's turned around a little bit, but I can still figure out that there are 4 jars. That's kind of the big thing that the cookies are going to go in, the jars. So I'm going to draw my 4 jars. There's my 4 jars. And I'm going to make a little thing on the top here. That's the cover, okay? I'm going to erase that one. Okay, I'm going to go back to my question. Each jar has 5 cookies in it. Well, mine don't have any cookies in it yet. There are 4 jars. This is what I did first. There are 4 jars. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cookies in all? 5 cookies are in each jar. So I'm just going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 jars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 cookies in each jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I can solve this in 2 ways. I can count by ones and come up with my answer, which is 20 cookies. Or I can count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. So this is equal groups, but skip counting, I also used repeated addition. 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 cookies. Now here's your problem. There are 3 plates. Each plate has 4 cupcakes on it. How many cupcakes are there? So go ahead and draw a picture of this problem in its solution and then put the answer next to it. There are 3 plates. Each plate has 4 cupcakes on it. How many cupcakes are there?